How to add IDM extension to Chrome browser manually. Hello everybody. If you're wondering how you can follow up the simple steps. So for that, you can head over to your preferred browser, your Chrome browser. After that, you can go ahead and download this Internet Download Manager into your device. You can go ahead and click on it to open up the website. After that, you should be finding this option called Download Internet Download Manager. Go ahead and click on it. And once you click on it, you will be finding it being downloaded. You just need to wait for the download to be completed. After the download is completed, you can head over to the top download and open it up in order to set it up on your device. Like this, you can just go ahead and double click on it to install it on your device. And you should be finding this. You can read the terms and click on next. Accept the terms and conditions. Click on next. Click on next again. And just go ahead and basically finish setting it up on your device. It may take about a while, a minute. And after that it's done, finish. Once it is set up, what you can do is head over to your Chrome and head over to your extensions. Click on the three dot at the top, and from there head over to extensions and go to manage extensions. And when you head over to manage extensions, you should be finding all of the extensions including IDM. That is the one that you are looking for, IDM Download Manager. And that's it. All you gotta do is turn that option on. So that is how you basically set it up. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.